Hi, this is Bradley Dunn, Sales and Marketing Director at Levanta Workshop Solutions and Hartex Engineering. Today we're at the Woden Bus Depot in Canberra. This is the ACT government's latest development. In 2025 they opened this facility. This is part of their plan for full electrification of their public transport fleet by 2040. At this depot, they're primarily running electric buses. They've got capacity for up to about 100 buses out of this depot. And today we're here to show you the CHRIST automatic drive-through bus wash we installed for the team at Transport Canberra. What we've got installed here is the CHRIST ECOBUS C4000. This is a 4-brush vertical drive-through bus wash system made by CHRIST in Germany. So this can be optioned with an optional roof brush. This particular machine is designed as a drive-through system, so there's no bus positioning. You simply drive through the bus wash at the desired speed and the 4 brushes rotate, coming across the front of the bus, down the sides and then crossing over to wash the rear of the bus also. So the CHRIST ECOBUS C4000 has full electronic control over the brush pressure, which reads the bus according to the program that it's set on. The bus goes through a pre-wash, then the 4 vertical brushes across the front and down each side, and then goes through a final rinse. So the wash cycle sequence is the LED entry signal comes on, the bus proceeds into the wash, automatically senses the bus's entry. There's a medium pressure pre-wash and shampoo. The front brush closes in and cleans the front fascia. The side brush contour along the full bus length. Then the rear brushes close in to complete the rear wash, with the bus then moving through the final rinsing arch to complete the cycle. This CHRIST ECOBUS C4000 is designed for performance and efficiency. So it's designed for minimal water usage, speed of throughput, so you can put high volume of buses through the wash. It's also provisioned with a full water treatment system, so it can reuse the water that it uses throughout the wash cycles. There are environmental and operational benefits of these washes. This particular wash uses 85% reduction in potable water use, lower energy and chemical consumption as well, which are important for environmental considerations. Fully compliant with EPA and Australian Standards 5667. A big thank you to Transport Canberra for involving us in the development of this depot and the installation of this automatic bus wash system for them. The Woden Depot is Australia's largest electric bus depot and the centrepiece of Transport Canberra's zero-emission fleet transition, which is something we're thrilled to be a part of as the Levanta and Hartex team. The CHRIST ECOBUS C4000 delivers fast, consistent and safe washing for a fleet that will soon reach 100 electric buses. With high water recycling efficiency and a fully automated treatment plant, this wash bay supports sustainable transport operations for years to come.